Fenugreek and ginger are two spices that have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Here are 5 benefits of consuming fenugreek and ginger. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, fenugreek, and ginger are all naturally anti-inflammatory and have antioxidant properties. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric are further enhanced with the addition of fenugreek and ginger, making it a powerful antioxidant source. 2. Weight loss aid. The combined effect of these ingredients helps slow the rate at which your stomach is emptied, thereby directly controlling the amount of sugar entering your bloodstream. This can help control your sugar intake and aid in weight loss. 3. Natural nootropic. Ginger has been shown to increase the levels of dopamine and serotonin in your brain, both of which help you get and remain focused and productive. 4. Relief from menstrual pain. Limited evidence supports both fenugreek and ginger in relieving painful menstrual period cramps.